Today this is my maiden voyage of my new GoPro that Dave got me for Christmas or whatever.
And I got a piece of paper.
He got a piece of paper, but you know, he can get a hat out of the deal. So our first maiden voyage is going to be up the Elwha River to Olympic Hot Springs. So we are testing this. I wish I had remembered how to turn the voice commands on, but is what it is. I think I can switch it to speed by swipe. No, I gotta do it on the back. Hang on. ND16, I don't know what that means. I don't even know how to get the stupid menu to come up. Mode, that's it. You push the mode button. Hang on. Highlight added. No, that's not what I wanted. Come up from the bottom, no. Down from the top, no. In from the corners, no. No, nothing seems to be doing its thing. This is the maiden voyage of my GoPro. I am doing video with my phone also, just so that, you know, in case I forgot to turn it on. Oh, it's doing the little flashy thing. It must be working. Anyway, we are doing the Olympic Hot Springs Trail, which is supposedly mostly along the road. However, yeah, there's this big long piece. You can see the uphill we just came up, and then there's the uphill we have to continue going up to get back to the road, because it used to be you could drive most of the way up there, but the road washed out and the national parks decided not to fix it. So we are hike-a-biking, because that's what happens when you can't actually ride up a hill like this, which is, you know, what I can't do and he can't do. So yeah, this is backup video. All right, this is where we're pausing to rest. This is where we took Dave's final picture because he thinks he's gonna die, so I took a picture of him. The bypass on this trail is, you know, I'm gonna say we probably ended up 500 feet up above the river to get around that wash area. Yeah, we walked most of it because not only is it rainy and slippery, neither one of us are healthy enough to be able to handle a crash, so we didn't. Yeah, it's a pretty cool trail. December 25th, 2024. I don't know what that did. Yes, I think that's regular time. So you push the little thing and it makes it, oh yeah, they set a little timer thing. So you can stop and you can talk and say, oh, here's the pretty thing. And then you turn that off. Now it's flashing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is where the road disappears into the river from the upside and you have to take the bypass trail, which is, how long was it, Dave?
Probably a little over a mile.
Okay, so a little bit of mile of up and down through the trees, but now we are back to being able to just do road.
A mile up and a mile down.
Of course, that's what he thinks. So we will go back to warp speed so that it looks like this was easy. Right, and then we slow it down so you can see the really pretty river, right? And then you put it back to warp speed. So this is where the dam used to be, right?
Yep.
Oh yeah. So there used to be a dam here.
Yep.
What? It is obviously no longer a lake. There used to be 2 dams on this river, by the way. And this is also the river that I was born at the mouth of. So, this is where the dam used to be. Cool, huh? That's the other side. And now the salmon can come all the way up here and miles upstream to spawn. Because these dams hadn't produced power in lots of years and weren't being used at all. It takes a whole lot of money to take them down. Yeah, it's cold up here, and I bet that wind is making my video or my microphone awful. Oh, that's beautiful. Sorry about the wind. Yep, me too. This is probably a fish counter of some kind. They count how many fish goes through down there. Don't worry, I'm hanging on to my phone really tight. Woo-wee! Windy and chilly. I'm done out here. Bye. I'm ready. I think I'm even recording. I looked left. Yeah, I'm not gonna ride any of it. Yeah, it's called hike-a-bike because you have to push the damn bike up the whole thing. Could you ride it down? Yes, but I'm not that good of a rider. I don't want to end up, you know, bashed into a tree or in the river somewhere. So, yeah, I push my bike. Dave pushes his bike too. Okay, so this was not like this when we came through this morning, or just a few hours ago. So apparently that old dead tree, not that one, there was one in front of it, fell apart and fell down across the trail. Wow. This is the climb of the overpass. Okay, I'm gonna rest here. Look at the scenery. Right? Okay, so one of my pauses to rest, I got to noticing the moss on these trees. Look at how lumpy the moss on these trees is. Amazing the things you notice when you stop to rest. It's like, oh no, I was stopping to look at the trees. I wasn't resting. Okay, here we go, some more. All right, this time I'm pausing to notice the fog moving in and the trees moving in the wind. Isn't it pretty? Yep. There's a whole lot of up left to go. I'm gonna look at the trees some more. So we just learned from a guy on the trail that there's a lower route that actually does go through. So we don't have to climb this big ass hill each time. We'll do that tomorrow. Okay, Baby Friday. You can see the rain sheeting across up there. And the wind. It wasn't windy when we came up this morning, but sure is now. Something tells me I should put my camera on. Lever and brakes. Says dangerous current. Use designated bypass trail half a mile back. But I see tire tracks in there. All right, well, next time we'll try that. But for today, we're tired. Yeah. Even if there was a whole lot of hike-a-biking. Coming up on your left. No pressure. We're going right there. Come on, just stay there. Is mine still running?
Yes.
Oh, here's what we should do. Stay. Here. You turn pointed at me. Oh, let me put my hat back on. Shit.
Good job.
I knew that was going to happen. All right, so this is our first try with the GoPro, and let's turn the camera so that we can do the proof of life and see. I did not kill my brother. He's alive. Right? But it was still fun, right, Dave? It was fun.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Uh-huh.